Hi, and welcome to a very short edition of Jules Voto's Photo Focus. I just wanted to update some information on the Vello auto extension tube set, autofocus extension tube set for the Nikon Z cameras that I reviewed in my last video. A couple of things I neglected to mention. One is that there is some weather sealing on these extension tubes, and the only thing I could see, there is a small rubber gasket, okay, on the side that mounts to the camera. And again, I didn't test it in bad weather, but it should offer some protection. The other thing is something I really didn't think about until that video was completed and uploaded. And I was thinking, God, how would it work with F-mount lenses and the F to Z adapter? So I took my Z7 and let's just take one of these tubes. Okay, I'm going to mount the 12mm tube directly to the Z7. Then I have the F to Z adapter. This is the original version. Should work the same with the F to Z2. Then mount that to the tube. Then I'm going to take an F-mount lens. This is a 70-200 f4. Mount it directly to the F to Z, and it works. Autofocus works. Everything seems to work fine. So if you have Z-mount lenses and you purchase these tubes and you also have some F-mount autofocus lenses laying around, now this will only work with F-mount AFS lenses. This won't work with the older lenses that required an in-camera autofocus motor. Okay, but AFS lenses should work fine with these tubes. So sorry I didn't mention that in the original video, but I didn't think of it until a couple days ago. Okay, so I know this was a very short video, but I hope it provided you with some useful information. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I welcome comments, so leave them in the comments below. I usually come out with a new video every Wednesday morning at 11 a.m., so I will talk to you next time.